Assalamu alaikum students of 5th class. Let's start our lecture of English B. In our previous lecture we have completed our lesson number 8 prefixes, and today our topic is lesson number 9 verbs. What are verbs? Without a verb we cannot complete our sentence. Verbs mean come ya fail. At times one verb is not enough to help a sentence work. बाज़ दफ़ा एक वर्ब किसी जुमले में काम करने के लिए काफ़ी नहीं है उसकी। वी नीड एडिशनल वर्ब्स, हमें कुछ इजाफी वर्ब्स की भी ज़रूरत है। सच हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर कॉल्ड ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स। वो इजाफी वर्ब्स जो होते हैं वो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स कहलाते हैं। सम ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स आर इज़, was, were, am, are, will, has, have, had, must, should, would, could, might. These are some auxiliary verbs. For example, he was standing near the door. Was is our auxiliary verb. He was standing near the door. He is telling a story. Is our auxiliary verb. He will teach a new lesson tomorrow. Will is our auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are used to assist verbs. Auxiliary verbs को assist करने के लिए use होते हैं. Was, is, are, will, were, am, are also known as to be verbs. To be is a kind of auxiliary verbs. Let us understand. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Underline the auxiliary verbs in each sentences. इन sentences में हमने auxiliary verbs को underline करना है. Let's start. 1. She has gone out. Has is our auxiliary verb. 2. They have arranged a party. Have is our auxiliary verb. 3. I had seen this movie last year. Had is our auxiliary verb. 4. Little children should listen to their elders. Should is our auxiliary verb. Next, practice. Fill an auxiliary verb. Blanks में हमने auxiliary verbs को add करना है. Number 1, Kathy dash feeling unwell today. Kathy is feeling unwell today. Second, I dash learn the poem for tomorrow's recitation contest. I will learn the poem for tomorrow's recitation contest. Third, they dash waiting at the bus stop. They were waiting at the bus stop. Fourth, he dash to go to Bangkok tomorrow. He has to go to Bangkok tomorrow. Next part B on page 31. Choose the right option from the choices given in the following sentences. इन sentences में से options हैं आपके पास, उसमें से सही option को हम choose करेंगे. Wild daisies are growing. Is growing in abundance in the meadows. Are growing is our right answer. Second, these days I was learning, am learning to drive a motor car. Am learning is right answer. Third, Rover had worked in the circus for more than 10 years now. Had worked is correct answer. 4. Natalia was playing cricket when she hurt her knee. was playing is correct answer. Fifth, we are hoped to finish this work by 6 o'clock today. Are hoping is our correct answer. Let's move on to part C. Copy these sentences in your notebook. Change them from present tense to past tense. इन sentences को हमने present tense से past tense में change करना है by changing the two auxiliary verbs. Two auxiliary verbs की help से. Number 1, I am wondering what I am going to do when I grow up. I was wondering what I was going to do when I grow up. I was wondering what I was going to do when I grow up. Second, we are walking down to the market and then we are deciding which place to go for dinner. We were walking down to the market and then we were deciding which place to go for dinner. Third, Ali Baba is wondering what he is going to do with the money he is taking from the hideout of the thieves. Ali Baba was wondering what he was going to do with the money he was taking from the hideout of the thieves. Fourth, Emily is wondering what she is going to do with the old doll. Emily was wondering what she was going to do with the old doll. Fifth, they are wondering what they are going to experience on the cruise. They were wondering what they were going to experience on the cruise. Next, part D. In the following sentences, change the past tense of the verbs into future tense. Past tense को हमने future tense में change करना है by changing both the auxiliary verb and the main verb. One is done for you. Auxiliary verb and main verb को change करते हुए हमने इस sentence को बनाना है in future tense. First example completed है. 1. He was planning a party after the meeting. He will plan a party after the meeting. She was watching a cricket match on television. She will watch a cricket match on television. Third, they were decorating the hall for the party. They will decorate the hall for the party. 4. I was looking after my ailing mother. I will look after my ailing mother. Let's move to our page number 32. Page number 32 is your self attempt. Do this part on your notebook by yourself and revise your all and do practice on your notebook of this lesson. Take care.